风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Hey there, welcome back to Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 午後大家好，我係美甲。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Josephine。年紀到了這個歲數了哈，真的身體要好好的改善一下，
要運動了。
對，You know, let's talk about change or to improve, to be better, basically. How do you say that? 改善。
改善。
Okay, for instance, exercise more and you're going to improve the health condition of your body. 多運動，身體一定會有改善的。
多運動。
聽速做得。改善身體狀況。
很好，
身體狀況。
對，身體狀況。
OK，
多運動。
對，這句話，這三個字一定要記得哈。運動 that means to exercise, right? And then your body's going to improve. 或者有時候是活動做完的時候，是不是應該要檢討一下啦？
要改善一下，
改善或改進啦，好都可以哈。這次活動有沒有需要改善或改進的？
一百發通。
有乜計？
愛改善嘅蔬菜模。很好。
There you go. That means anything you need to improve. 好，我的客語還是需要進步一下。
愛改善。
對，沒錯，要改善。That's to improve this event. Okay, let's teach you some of the phrases we brought up, including exercising or 運動。運動，那活動呢？
發通，
that's an event. And finally, to improve, 改善。And there you have it. Now you know how to 改善 things in your life. Thank you for listening.
什麼大家？
安子 say
張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.